Welcome back to applelnsider, the channel where we bring you the latest and most honest reviews in the world of smartphones and technology. Today we are diving deep into a phone that has been creating a lot of buzz, the BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G. This is not just another mid-range phone, it's a serious attempt to balance style, power, and affordability. If you've been wondering whether this device deserves a spot in your pocket, stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll have a crystal clear answer. Let's break it down feature by feature and see what this phone truly offers. Number 1 is design and build quality. The BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G immediately stands out when you hold it in your hand. It is crafted with a sleek metal frame combined with a glass back that gives it a premium touch that's often reserved for more expensive flagship devices. The phone is surprisingly lightweight while still feeling sturdy and solid. The curves on the edges are smooth, making it comfortable to hold even during long usage. It also comes with a matte finish option that resists fingerprints, a small but thoughtful detail that makes daily use more enjoyable. The camera module is neatly aligned, not too bulky, and the overall symmetry gives the device a clean, professional look. The button placement feels natural, the haptic feedback is crisp, and the phone gives you that reassuring confidence that it's built to last. Even though this device is placed in a mid-range price bracket, its design language screams high-end quality. Number 2 is display. The Note 11 Pro 5G is equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. With a full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels buttery smooth, and gaming or watching videos becomes a true visual treat. The brightness levels are impressive, going up to 1200 nits in peak, which means you can comfortably use this phone outdoors even under direct sunlight. The bezels are slim, and the punch-hole camera cutout is subtle, giving you a nearly full-screen immersive experience. Whether you are streaming Netflix, scrolling through Instagram, or reading an ebook, this display ensures sharpness and clarity without straining your eyes. The display is also protected by Gorilla Glass, adding an extra layer of durability, which is always reassuring in daily use. Number 3 is performance. Under the hood, the BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, a capable processor built to handle multitasking and 5G connectivity with ease. Paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, the phone performs smoothly under most conditions. App switching is snappy. Heavy games like Call of Duty Mobile or Asphalt run without major frame drops, and day-to-day tasks like browsing or video calling are effortless. The 5G support is one of the highlights here, giving you future-proof connectivity and faster internet speeds as 5G networks continue to expand. Thermal management is also impressive. Even after prolonged gaming sessions, the phone remains relatively cool. While this chipset may not break records against ultra-flagship processors, it delivers reliable performance that feels more than enough for the average user and even enthusiasts who enjoy demanding apps. Number 4 is camera. The BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G features a 108-megapixel primary camera sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter, paired with a 16-megapixel front camera. The main camera captures stunning shots with rich detail, especially in daylight. Colors look natural, and the dynamic range is impressive, handling both shadows and highlights effectively. Night photography is equally solid with the help of the dedicated night mode, which reduces noise and brings out more detail in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide camera expands your creative options, though it sometimes struggles with edge sharpness, which is common in this segment. The macro lens is decent for close-up shots but is more of a bonus feature. On the video front, the Note 11 Pro 5G can record up to 4K resolution with good stabilization, making it a reliable option for vlogging or casual videography. The front camera is sharp and does a great job with selfies and video calls, maintaining skin tones naturally without over-smoothing. Overall, the camera system is versatile and delivers results that punch above its weight for the price. Number 5 is battery life. The Note 11 Pro 5G is packed with a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get through a full day of heavy usage or even 2 days of moderate use. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or using 5G networks, the battery keeps up without making you reach for the charger too often. What makes it even better is the inclusion of 67W turbocharging. With this, you can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just about 15 minutes and get a full charge in under 45 minutes. This is incredibly convenient for users who are always on the go and don't have time to wait around. Battery optimization in the software also ensures that background apps don't drain power unnecessarily. The combination of a large battery and fast charging makes the Note 11 Pro 5G one of the most dependable phones in its class when it comes to power. Number 6 is software and features. The Note 11 Pro 5G runs on Android 12 with BSNL's custom UI layered on top. The interface is clean, with minimal bloatware, and offers smooth navigation. Features like split-screen multitasking, customizable themes, and gesture controls make the experience more personal. The phone also includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that's fast and accurate, along with face unlock for quick access. Dual stereo speakers with high-res audio certification deliver immersive sound, making it great for entertainment. Another noteworthy addition is the inclusion of 5G bands that cover a wide range of frequencies, ensuring compatibility with different networks. Regular software updates have been promised, which is reassuring for long-term users who want security patches and new features. Overall, the software feels polished, reliable, and user-friendly. Number 7 is value for money. Perhaps the biggest strength of the BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G is the way it balances all these features at its price point. For a device that offers a premium design, a brilliant AMOLED display with high refresh rate, solid performance with 5G support, a capable camera system, long-lasting battery life with fast charging, and well-thought-out software features, the price tag feels surprisingly reasonable. Competing brands often charge significantly more for a similar feature set, and this makes the Note 11 Pro 5G an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. It's a device that delivers nearly everything you'd expect from a modern smartphone without stretching your wallet too far. And that brings us to the conclusion. The BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G is a phone that confidently proves you don't need to spend a fortune to experience premium features. From its design and display to its performance and camera, every aspect has been thoughtfully designed to deliver more than just the basics. It feels like a well-rounded package that caters to both casual users and those who demand a little extra from their smartphone. Sure, it may not compete directly with the absolute top-tier flagships, but that's not the point. The point is that it provides a flagship-like experience at a price most people can realistically afford. If you're in the market for a phone that looks premium, performs smoothly, lasts long on a charge, takes good pictures, and connects you to the future of 5G, the BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. This has been the full review of the BSNL Note 11 Pro 5G on applelnsider. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.